Hello, besties. So, in this series, this is the part one of this series, and it's meant for new YouTubers, not just only new YouTubers, also for those that want to schedule their live stream and they are finding it difficult, and they want to go live and they are finding it difficult because going live always will definitely help you to build your watch hour. So I'm going to be showing you how to get it done. My name is Shamaka Akomabo, and we are going to get into it right away. Let's go there. Okay, besties, here we go. I'm going to be showing you how you will be able to schedule your live stream on a YouTube. So now we go to YouTube. You can see the YouTube icon on the right top. I'll click on it and it will open. So we'll be looking at this. You can see at the bottom, you see home shots style. This plus here, we click on it just like the normal way where you post, where you post your videos up live. And now that the live is up, hi. Okay, because the camera is fixing me, that's why you are seeing me now. So this is how we'll go. Let me take it down. Oh, okay, so that you understand. And okay. Let me not be distracted. This place here, I don't know if you can see it. In these three dots here, the up one is for you to change the view, maybe to face me or to use your back camera or use your front camera. The second one is the mic. If you don't want people to hear you, maybe if you want to go live, but on a silent live stream, that's when you click on that mic to mute it and all that. And this place, this front sign is for you to maybe want to do it a landscape or you want to do it portrait. Yeah, so let's dive in. For you to schedule your video, your live stream, I mean to say, you go here, you click on this type, you will type in the topic you want to discuss on. Let's just use, it says Chamaka Akomabo is life. If you don't want your name to show, you can just delete it and type in the type topic you want. So here I'll be putting a Chamaka Akomabo is life chit chat. That's, I want my community people to join me so that we can have a chit chat. And then you can see feasibility, we already make it public. But mind you, this public, after you finish recording your video, it will, and you end it, is going to come out as private. So it's not left for you to edit the live stream and make it public for every other person to see the end of the aftermath of the live stream. Then this one is very important. You click on this, select audience. If you know that it's not meant for kids, you click no, it's not meant for kids, and then you go back. That's all. And if you're inviting someone to be part of your, that's where you see that invite guests. But if you're not inviting someone, no need of clicking on it. Add description. You can actually do that after you have ended your live stream. Based on what people discuss or based on what you talked about, you can now use it to craft out your description. So you can do that after you have finished instead of putting it now. And that is it. So remember, what we're talking about is how you can schedule it, not going live immediately. Because if you're going live immediately, you just click next. But if you're not going live, you want to inform people or notify people earlier on, maybe 5 hours, 3 hours, 2 hours, or the next day. You click on this schedule for later. When you click on schedule for later, time is there. So, but you will not click on it to choose the date. Today is 28th June. So you can actually say 28th June, then put the time maybe by 5, 7, 8, or if you want to do it the next day or so thereabout, just walk around based on your schedule. Okay, now we'll be working with 28th June. So we'll click OK and it will bring our time, what time we don't want to go live. And this time is 8:46 now. So if I want to go live later on, I cannot click maybe 12 a.m. Let's use 12 a.m. or 12 p.m. depending on the time you want to go live. And then you do next. You click on next and that is it. It has already saved for you. Put done. Don't go live. You see, you can see down there it's showing live. Please don't go live. If you go live, that means you're already going live immediately. You put done. You click on done, and when you click on done, look at the right hand side. It's showing the calendar there that you have already scheduled the live stream. So anytime when the time comes up and you want to go live, all you need to do is from the beginning how we started, you click on that plus sign, come to this live stream, then go to this calendar, click on it, it will bring it out, and then you click again. It will not ask you to go live, and that's how you go live. No, me, I don't want to go live, or maybe I would have put it in private and then show you how it is done. So okay, that is it. Excuse me. So that's all for scheduling your live stream. So if you have any question, uh, so that means we have scheduled that. So I have to close this now. We are no longer in this place. Okay. So you can now say that I've showed you how you can schedule your live stream. So if you have any question in the comment section, just let me know. So, with that being said, let me know in the comment section if you'll be trying it out and if you will go live. Of course, you will. What will be holding you? So, now that I've shown you how to do it, just get it done and let me know when you do so, and also give me feedback. Please, if I've watched up to this point, I have not subscribed to my channel. What are you waiting for? What did I do to you? Please subscribe, like, share, comment, and I'll be in the comment section to interact with you and build a relationship with you. Thank you so much, and see you next in my video. See you next in my video. Bye bye.